guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe we're gonna prepare a whitening teeth recipe. Okay, so all what you need is just 4 ingredients and you're good to go. So if you're the first time coming out to see my channel, please do well to subscribe and like this video. First of all, you need your baking soda. Okay, after that you need your toothpaste. Okay, after that you need your lemon. Okay, and then you need your activated charcoal. So stay tuned, let's go into the practical part of it. Go in with your toothpaste. Okay, after that you go in with your charcoal like this. As you can see how I'm doing it, maybe like 1 tablespoon of charcoal, I think is okay. And then you go in with your 1 tablespoon of baking soda as well. Okay, and you get your lemon, squeeze in the lemon like this. Good. And you give it a serious stir. Stir it very, very well till you have a good result. Look at it. I think this will go a long way for your teeth. Just do this. What I do now is I do this twice in a month. You don't do this every day. And after mixing it like this, you can just decide to keep it for like maybe 10 minutes so that everything can dissolve. All right, and after that you get in your toothbrush and whoop, brush your teeth. You're good to go. So do well to subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Have a lovely day ahead. Bye.